Hi, Miss Gail here from the Boulder City Library. For the month of January, we have something really fun for our little ones to do. These are calendars that you get to color, and you can write all the numbers in. You can make it your very own special artwork calendar. You can get these when you call for our curbside service. Just call the library number, get some books, and ask for one of these calendars to go with it. Speaking of books, this is a great time to tell you all about the new books that we have. I'm Trying to Love Rocks. This one's by Bethany Barton. It's a really good book about trying to learn something new. What better time than the first of the year? This one is We Disagree by Bethany Maguire. This book tells you how you can disagree and still be friends. This one has nothing whatsoever to do with the new year. It's just fun. It's called Kitties on Dinosaurs by Michael Slack. And along the same lines, we have this fun little book called Shut the Door by Robert Lopshire. This one is called You Are a Beautiful Beginning by Nina Layden. Dial Books is the publisher of this fun one. Why can't we be besticorns? Good question. I think we all need a book like this. It's called Kind, a book about kindness by Axel Scheffler. A new year, we're going to start with a new understanding. This book teaches about how powerful one can be. It's called The Power of One, Every Act of Kindness Counts by Trudy Ludwig. So call for your books and don't forget to ask for your calendar that goes with it. Bye for now.